Comuna 13 with my homeboy Carlos. We're just going up the escalators.
Welcome, man. Anytime you want to come through, man, you know what's up, man. You're gonna run into some good rappers, good art, good transformation, especially the transformation, because this neighborhood used to be one of the most dangerous, or probably the #1 most dangerous neighborhood back in 2000.
Really?
In the whole world. Nobody was able to come here without permission.
It was ran by the neighborhood.
It was ran by how you call paramilitares, which is like the gorillas. You know, like.
A lot of escalators, y'all. Y'all didn't know this, huh? Y'all didn't know there was escalators in Comuna 13, did you? Now you can see. Look at all this. I'm over here in Comuna 13 right now, over here with my homies, my homie Carlos.
What's up, man?
You know what I'm saying? Show me some love.
La bullshit, shit.
Yes, sir. Got my Paisa buddy right here.
You want to shout out
Shout
to
out,
somebody?
yeah, shout out my cousin, my primo, Carlos.
El primo Carlos.
Carlitos, Carlos.
Primo Carlos.
Sí, in Bogotá, viva en Bogotá.
He live in Bogotá.
Sí.
Okay, Carlos, Bogotá.
This for you, Los. Sending some shout outs for you, bro. Yes, sir.
Los Ángeles. Okay, another word to do.
Memphis. Memphis. Over here, Community 13.
Everybody put your hands up. Come on, come on. Everybody put your hands up.
Hey.
Okay, bro. Welcome to my neighborhood. Para ser discreto, yo sí tengo la actitud. Amen. Esto es como un reto. My friend is from Los Angeles, from the ghetto, man. We are here in the Comuna 13. You can see the best rap from the city. I do graffiti. Hey, you can see hip hop kids say. Mira, my friend, I am life size per kid. Insane in the rain. You know my son? ¿Cómo es que voy a sonar bien? Tú mandas un saludo para Carlos, que en Bogotá se encuentra el friend, primo Carlos. Carlos de Josie. Ya sabes que no se me homie. Mira que esto va a sonar así desde Memphis. Memphis connect to Medellin. This is real culture. This is hip hop. Hey yo. Mira, put your hands up. That's not a show.
Shout out to Medellin, all the places from Memphis, Tennessee. Representing. Appreciate the love.
Preside the love. Preside on the world.
Llegado, en el sitio hasta acá, la bienvenida le doy, por eso te tomo ya, qué bonito de que lleguen, hasta me pongo feliz, de que anden recorriendo hoy todo nuestro país.
All the Community 13. Hola, hola, ¿cómo está? Oh, this is Community 13 too. Actually, this is the ghetto, but they pretty much turned it into a market, you know what I'm saying? So they bringing in tourism. It's helping out the neighborhood. People here with my Afro people, my Negro people from Colombia. Afro-Colombian, Colombiana, Afro-Americana. And I'm just gonna get some of these beef. Let me get a local beef. Just showing my support to my people. You know what I'm saying?
No, lo regañan, güey, que nos va a llevar allá.
Gracias. Alright, so this is what it is right here. Look at that.
Chorizo with arepa and a potato.
Check that out.
They got that sauce in there, barbecue.
Can you get this for me? I want to try it out. I'm about to try it out, y'all.
Similar as tortilla.
Really?
Yeah, that's arepa.
Okay, and
It's
this
called
is just
arepa,
beef,
and
right?
that's not beef.
Okay, let's just try everything one at a time.
You can put some salt on it. Tiene salecita. It's not too.
Oh, it's good.
It's perfect with the salt.
It's good.
And then you take a bite of the
Now, this is what I'm looking for
chorizo.
right here. Let's see what we got.
Those three together taste awesome. That's what's up.
I'm telling you guys, when you come to Community 13, you come holler at my people right here.
Come and holler at my Afro Medellin
my
people
God.
right here.
Muy bien.
Que está muy rico.
So good, guys.
What's up?
Represent. How you say? Community 13?
Yeah.
Me, Memphis. Yeah, that's for all my Memphis people right there representing. Yes, sir. Just waiting on my brother Carlos. He's getting a drink. But we still just chilling in Comuna 13 right now. Just over here relaxing, drinking a local beer. You feel me? Just got to get some local foods. Some of my support to the Comuna 13 area. I love the Afro-Colombian people. So I get back to them. You feel me? Oh, Comuna 13.
People from the Pacific, a lot of them come for better way of living, better opportunities.
Right.
A lot of them, due to the guerrilla and the paramilitares, the ones that they always extortion people.
Right.
They forcing them out of the house.
Yeah.
Their community.
We just got done eating. We heading out of Comuna 13 with my homie Carlos. Appreciate the love, Carlos, some more. Yes, sir. All the way from Medellin.
And thank you for the love too.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. We about to head out of here. So I'm just gonna give y'all some footage of us just leaving out of here. Comuna 13, I see we got, it's a community, the ghetto with escalators. Y'all didn't know this issue. Beautiful. I love it here. I love the people here. Once you come to Colombia, you never want to leave. Ask anybody that visit Colombia. For y'all that don't know why I come here so much. You understand?
Yeah, you don't really want to. Look at me, I came 5 years ago and I haven't been back. No, I've been back like about 3 times. But I only go and visit and come right back.
Menino, mi amigos.
Parceros.
Parceros. Medellin, Paisa, stand up. I gotta get me a tattoo artist down here, man. Everybody hit up, but me. What's that? Everybody they tatted up.
Oh yeah.
They hit up, man.
I'm hit up, but I got them all hide them.
Yeah, yeah,
Got big on the back, big on tattoo on the back.
yeah. Oh, that's your boy?
He's the brother of the main guy that does that.
Oh, that's the one that wasn't here earlier.
Give me a puppy. What's up?
Wait, let me go in this shot. Let me see, show him some love. Yeah. I'm in my brother's shop right here. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Santiago.
Santiago. ¿Paisa?
Sí, paisa.
No, Paisa. ¿Calina?
¿Cómo?
¿Calina?
Dice caleño.
Rojo.
Ah, no, bro, no, paisa.
¿Paisa?
Chin, papi.
Oh, okay, papi. Okay. No, Dominicano? Cubana. Okay, Paisa. Okay.
So this is he's a brother of the main guy named Chota 13.
Okay.
He's the guy that does probably like the 65 or 30. ¿Cuánto? ¿El por ciento? Como 70% de los graffiti. 65% about 65% of the graffiti that is here. His bro is the one that does the thing.
Really?
And he's the owner of this. I guess they're co-owners. And this is the gallery.
Hey, let's check out the shop, y'all. See what they got in here.
Everything that you see on it, that's all.
That's his art. Yeah, that's his art.
his art.
Look at this artwork, y'all. Look at this, man. Look at the details in this artwork, bro. When y'all come to Comuna 13, y'all gotta come to this shop and check this out, man. Just look at the details on all this artwork. Just imagine how many hours this took to get this artwork. You know what I'm saying? Y'all heard what he said. His brother did most of the graffiti in his neighborhood. He's a famous graffiti artist. And one thing you will find in Medellin, you will find a lot of graffiti. It's art. It's beautiful art. It's kind of like how they're doing New York now. New York is finally starting to accept people to do graffiti because they realize it's real art.
Now
So
what happens in Medellin is that what people in Medellin try to do is show the past and the transformation that this city has become.
I like that one, that bird, that phoenix. That it's a graffiti. It's like on the lower level of
So have you been here before? Well, you didn't never see this. Like this is
Hey, look who y'all see? That's in Colombia.
That's that guy's brother. This is Chota 13, which is that main guy that's all.
With Bill Clinton, y'all see that, right? Oh my God, this got this famous reggaeton, brother.
Because Tego Calderon.
See, that's your brother, right?
Yeah, that guy downstairs with Karol G.
See,
With Karol G, J Balvin.
J Bobby, y'all know Jay.
We also got some famous. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hey, would you like to drink the ice cold coffee?
See, let's try it out, guys. Let's see what we got. Get this real authentic feel, man. Much love to everybody that's from the Comuna 13 area, man. Beautiful, beautiful people. My little homies been with us all day, man. They been kicking with us all day. Yeah, they been there. They kicking with the Medellin homies, man. Represent.
Coconutizado.
Oh, so like, is it coconut in here too?
No, this is iced coffee with caramel,
chocolate.
and whipped cream.
About to try it out right now. Let's see how it tastes. Delicio. One more time for y'all. 3 for 5. See, we do it like that, man. Support my brother. Thank you, my brother.
It's gonna work.
Thank you, my brother. And what I'm gonna do is,
It's gonna change. It's gonna give you a change.
so I'm just gonna give one to my brothers over here. Yeah, hey, come get some of this candy. I'm gonna get this candy to these little ones over here, man. You know what I'm saying? My man.
Cero.
So,
Están regalando un candy.
some candy for my buddy. You want one? All right, see. My little buddies over here.
Había unas clases, pero como el edificio tiene unas ventanas gigantes, se veían los tours.
Y hace 5 años regresé.
California. Ahora tengo un parcero, un amigo. Tengo un amigo.
We're basically leaving Community 13 right now. The escalator, they're working on one of the sides on the escalator. So we just gotta walk down these steps.
Ah, bueno, pero entonces no le eché pasador a la puerta entonces. Que si algo yo voy la recojo el próximo.
They got a shop set up out of their house. Beautiful. People making money out of their house, man. Escalators going through the ghetto. Community 8. I thought it was 6. Okay, Community 8.
That's going towards Buenos Aires.
Okay, so yeah, we about to head to Community 8. I'm gonna show y'all the rest of Community 13. But when I get to Community 8, I gotta go over there and take care of some business. But everything good. My friend Lux.
He's one of my boys right here. He's about to go and do his little graffiti thing.
Oh, he graffiti artist too?
Yeah, he's a graffiti artist.
That's what they're doing, getting ready, getting to go. Him and your buddy, your friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
¿Con quién va a ir? Con Max.
Hey, how long you had locks?
5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
Good.
You speak
Good.
good English.
Yeah, it looks good, bro.
Thank you.
Need 1 year. 1
1
year.
year.
1 year, baby.
Okay.
Yeah,
Where are you from?
so, Memphis, Tennessee.
Cool.
Yeah, man. I'm just looking. Yeah,
bro.
man. My community brother. Look at the locks, man. For my Rasta brother. Yeah,
He's a good rapper too. He gets down.
Yeah.
He gets doing.
He does all around hustling, man.
Everything.
Yeah, one love, bro.
Dios lo bendiga.
Ay. Colombian music. Oh, dance off. Alright guys, we're at the end of Comuna 13. Don't ever forget your passport stamps of today are your memories of tomorrow. Peace and love, respect. The bird, right?
Yeah.
About the transformation.
Yeah, but that transformation also, but what after the army when it came here, right, the rebels, they got kicked out of here by la paramilitares. That's the ones the army hired to get the rebels out of here.
Okay.
So what they used to do is, when this war right here, once the paramilitary used to hurt, let's say my family, if I sympathize with the rebels, they used to drag you at their house, they'll come and bring you here and put you in the middle of the thing right there, and they used to execute
Right there. Cold. Man. Check out that real ghetto.
So if they feel that you sympathize with the rebels, they used to come and drag you out the house.
Execute.
¿Tu parcero viene o no?
Hey, hey. One love, bro.
Vamos a la sepultura, esto es lo que se dice de party, no hay violencia en la 13 chimbayar. Welcome, Comuna 13 everybody, desde cero hasta que tengamos Ferrari. Esto es lo que sale con la sencillez y rapeo así porque el bro se ve que habla inglés. Llega, vente, decente, igual tenemos la misma dentadura por los dientes. Blanco, no me estanco, no hay envidia. Otra bulla fuerte y que suene familia. Represento y soy la mole, lo que digo y que le parece. Gracias por estar aquí en la Comuna. Ay, me disculpan, tuvimos un inconveniente con